Welcome to Breaking Wire. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. A major shift is happening in aviation. For decades, Airbus and Boeing have battled for dominance, but now Airbus has unveiled a true game-changer, the A321XLR. This single-aisle jet is making headlines because it can fly farther than any plane its size, crossing oceans, not just countries. Airlines are excited because the A321XLR lets them offer direct flights between smaller cities, something only big, expensive jets could do before. The secret? Extra long range. XLR stands for extra long range, which lets airlines connect new city pairs efficiently. This is a smart move by Airbus, filling a gap in the market for long, thin routes that wide-body jets can't serve profitably. For travelers, it means more direct flights and fewer layovers. The A321XLR is also a big headache for Boeing, whose aging 757 once filled this role, but now has no modern replacement. With Boeing lagging, Airbus is poised to dominate this crucial market segment. The arrival of the A321XLR isn't just about a new plane, it's about a shift in power between the world's two biggest aircraft makers. Airlines want flexibility and efficiency, and Airbus is delivering. The industry is watching closely as this jet reshapes the future of air travel. The A321XLR is more than a new model. It's a symbol of changing times in aviation. Airbus has taken the lead, and the world is taking notice. What sets the A321XLR apart? It's a narrow-body jet with the range of a wide-body, up to 10 hours non-stop. This opens up direct routes like Boston to Rome or Houston to Amsterdam, which were once impossible for single-aisle planes. The secret is a special rear-center fuel tank, engineered for safety and balance, giving it unmatched range. Airlines love the flexibility, more direct flights, less reliance on big hubs, and lower operating costs. Passengers benefit too. Cabins are modern, with features like lie-flat seats and fast Wi-Fi, making long flights comfortable. The A321XLR is the perfect replacement for aging Boeing 757s, offering better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. With Boeing lacking a competitor, Airbus is capturing a new market segment. This jet is changing how airlines plan their networks and how travelers experience long-haul flights. It's a win for efficiency, comfort, and the environment. The A321XLR is redefining what a single-aisle jet can do. Airlines are lining up to buy it, and Airbus is the only player in this new category. The industry is watching as the A321XLR sets a new standard. Bringing the A321XLR to market hasn't been easy. Delays in certification pushed deliveries back, frustrating airlines. Still, Airbus is outpacing Boeing in 2025, delivering more planes and ramping up production. In the first half of the year, Airbus delivered 306 aircraft, compared to Boeing's 280. Airbus aims to deliver 820 planes by year's end, even opening a new U.S. assembly line to meet demand. Both companies have huge backlogs, but Airbus is managing production more efficiently. The A320neo family, including the XLR, is being built at record rates, 75 per month. This production edge gives Airbus a major advantage as airlines scramble for new jets. Boeing, meanwhile, is struggling to keep up. The ability to deliver planes on time is just as important as designing them. Airbus's reliability is winning the trust of airlines worldwide. Once the A321XLR overcomes its delays, Airbus's momentum will only grow. In 2025, Airbus is proving it can innovate and deliver. That's a powerful combination in today's aviation market. While Airbus surges ahead, Boeing faces major setbacks. Production issues have slowed output of its 737 MAX, and the new 777X is years behind schedule. Airlines are frustrated by long waits and forced to keep older, less efficient jets flying. Safety concerns have also plagued Boeing, with recent incidents raising questions about quality. These problems have damaged Boeing's reputation and made airlines wary. In contrast, Airbus is expanding production and launching innovative jets like the A321XLR. The gap between the two companies in 2025 is stark. Boeing is on the defensive, while Airbus is setting the pace for the industry. With Boeing distracted by delays, Airbus is already planning its next move. The company is considering a stretched version of its A350 to compete directly with Boeing's delayed 777X. There are even rumors of a brand new larger Airbus jet, the A390. This bold strategy keeps pressure on Boeing, which has little capacity to launch new projects right now. Airlines tired of waiting for Boeing may switch to Airbus's new offerings. Meanwhile, Boeing's long-rumored 797 mid-size jet never materialized, leaving a gap in its lineup. Airbus is using its momentum to shape the future, while Boeing struggles to catch up. The industry is watching to see if Airbus will make its next big move. In 2025, Airbus has pulled ahead of Boeing in a dramatic shift. The A321XLR symbolizes this change, an innovative jet with no real competition. Airbus is delivering more planes while Boeing faces delays and production woes. Years without a new Boeing design have left the door open for Airbus's fresh models. Now, Airbus is not just leading in narrow bodies but also challenging Boeing in wide bodies. Smart planning and Boeing's missteps have tilted the balance of power. For airlines and travelers, this rivalry means better planes and more choices. For Boeing, it's a wake-up call: adapt quickly, or risk being left behind.